Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum bajulong man la ka snam ka post office ka ju rakhi ya ka world post day ha ka khandai trik risau mentau snam ru ka post office kala rakhi ya ka sngi ka bakerpang ha ka bakila sedang ya ka ha ka khandai trik risau but kan kut hadu ka khatlai trik jong ju ubnai Habaya keren bat kinong thok hubor u Chief Postmaster General North East Circle Shillong u Subrat Das ulaya tho ba shibenta ban rakhe ya ka National Postal Week ka India Post North East Circle kala rakhi kerpang ya ka World Post Day ha ka ba yakani kila pendong ha Baroh ki post office jong ka Jylla badru jong ki Jylla ka than chate lam mi ngi hagini ki sngi kin don ki jing ai jing hi kai ba pher la ka dei ha ki school but ki wei ki benta.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our Assistant Director has briefed you about the World Post Day, and I would not dwell at length on those things. But to be brief about the importance of this day, see, the World Post Day is a day which commemorates the establishment of the Universal Postal Union. Some of you may want to know what exactly is the Universal Postal Union. It is a body which consists of its member states and which basically is a forum which is there for interaction among postal administration all over the world. It frames the legislation for international mail cooperation, financial services, and efficient mails operation all over the world. So it is an important body for the quality of services, of postal services across the length and breadth of the nation, of the world. On this day, India Post is celebrating with different activities as has been brought out by our Assistant Director, details of which you will find in your brief. But to be little more focused, I would focus on three areas of India Post. This is one organization which has the digital, the financial, and the social combined together. The Post today is one of the most digital focused organization, with every postal unit all across the country being a very highly integrated digital outpost or outlet. Through this digital network or enterprise, we try to provide financial services for financial inclusions of citizens all over the country, and this is also a very effective medium for the social and the economic upliftment of the citizens at large through the medium of direct benefit transfer. In Northeast Circle, we have been focusing in growth and development of the postal sector in a very organized way. All our post offices, starting from our head post offices, which are biggest unit, to our branch post offices, are fully computerized, fully networked through an enterprise. We provide all kinds of services, be it a small post office in a border state or be it a large post office in the capital. We have been modernizing our operations and providing operational efficiency through a very efficient mail network system. Our 6 states, it would please you to know that this financial year, the Government of India has given us around 1,500 branch post offices all across the 6 states of our circle, where the unbanked villages would be covered through these post offices. These post offices would also be the access point for India Post Payment Bank, so that the citizens of these areas not only will have the benefit of universal financial inclusion, would also have the benefit of direct benefit transfer. So other than that, another big innovation that has been brought about by Government of India is called the Dak Niryat Kendra, where each post office is an export outlet for the products which is being generated in the rural economy. So the post becomes a very effective medium of integrating the rural economy with the export market at large, and our progress in that has been quite good. We have been booking good number of articles in Lunglei in Mizoram, in Agartala, here Meghalaya, in Arunachal Pradesh. So in all our states we are booking articles, and these are basically export articles where the post office is becoming a medium for exporting of these articles and integrating the rural economy. So this is a nutshell about the development that is taking place in the India Post, its digital, financial and social aspect, the growth and development taking place in our circle. So I would now request the print and electronic media, if they have any question on this, I would be glad to respond to that. Thank you very much.
Well,
Because our circle are consists of 6 states, all are in northeast, but in Meghalaya we are roughly around 449 branch offices.
all these are new.
Yes.
And when did this started? Means in last 1 year?
No, you see, we got the approval sometimes. This is around April, I think, April and May, and we are, in the process of establishing, because when you have a post office, there are certain, what you call capacity that you require. You need to have a building, you need to have your infrastructure. So these we are in the process. So our plan is that in another 3 months' time, we would be in a place to make all the post offices operational.
Why is it that in the city you are decreasing the post offices? Because there was a post
Number has
office.
not been decreased. It is there in GPO. It's
No,
there.
no. Why can't you have there? I mean, why should people come to?
No, you see, first thing is that we are now focusing on the World Post Day and the National Post Week. So my request to you to focus on this.
And that is
This
the
is
integral part of it, because it is a service.
No, service I agree, but see, this is one particular post office is not that. I will, after this, if you come, I will come to my chamber. I will respond to that, but not on this.
Adding to that, you have digital all this.
Yeah.
But then whenever you go to a post office, the reply is linked down.
No, that is not. I would respectfully disagree with you, because how do you decide whether a post office is linked in or linked out? The golden standard for this is the number of articles booked per hour, and our statistics shows that the article booked is quite robust, and we have been growing. So I have the statistics I can share with you. We have been growing in the last 3 years. So there is possibility that for some reason there is a link failure, which will depend on the external service provider. But this is not an area of concern for us right now, because we have upgraded the bandwidth in all of